mga kabayan, kung kamo nagapangita og opportunity, stop right now because sa kini nga video among i-share sa inyo ha ang isa kanindot nga business nga nakatabang sa amo aron maka-retire mig sayo og mahimong maayo ang among kinabuhi. Kani ang ako mga business partners, akong i-introduce. Unahon nato si Madam Anne-Marie.
Grabe, Madam. Yes, Madam, kay 20 years gyud ko nga teacher, no?
Correct.
I'm also living in Maryland, USA and have 2 kids. Yet kinsa bay magtuoy nga maka-retire ko at the age of 41. Just doing this business for 3 years. So there's really something in this business that you have to check out.
Yeah, so tanang mga Bisaya nga nagtrabaho karon o wala na trabaho, single man, married man, couple man, this is for you. Nagtrabaho ko dugay, nagyud kog trabaho sa corporate, abi na ko dako kay kog sweldo, nindot kay kog posisyon, pero Ginoo ko pwede gyud ka pulihan anytime they want. My point here is that you can always add additional income. Pwede kaayo ni siya bisag asa ka na ami karon sa golf course. Magana-ana kami golf kami ang saan man nga ang business man namang beauty.
Yes. So mauni ang usa sa mga perks na pwede ninyong ma-enjoy once you become a business owner. And if you are interested to learn more, i-click kining button sa ubos, send message, and we will help you and we will guide you to take the first step. Okay?
Yes, ang nakanindot man gud, even if gikan ka sa lahi nga trabaho and wala gyud kay business background, we will help you. Plus the training has been, oh my goodness, tested by thousands of people worldwide.
Correct.
Nga bisan pa og copy paste dili gay ka kabalo. You will learn it here. We will train you. We have a system, plus ang nakanindot dili pa gyud tamag.
Maligya.
Di ta mamaligya, di ta mag-force, di ta mag-recruit, wala gyud ni siya automation kaayo among business. Maski natug ko pag mata na ko, oh my god, ano yung message?
And then dili nimo kinahanglan mo hold og inventory, and then dili pud nimo kinahanglan nga maghabol-habol sa mga tao because we don't want to do that, guys.
Correct.
So again, automation plays a very good role here in the business, and I want you to go ahead and check it out. Aron nga you will uncover the potential and what is also possible for you guys.
So take
Okay?
advantage ka din digital gyud. Ay kay karon trending kaayo siya. Ayaw gyud mo pagpawala sa trending kay karon message down below.
That's right. And last but not the least, if kabaw gyud mo scroll sa social media, naghuwat-huwat ra gyud mo, dugay kay mo sa inyong mga Facebook, no? If you know how to work with your Facebook, you know you can make money out of it too. We will
That's
teach you.
right.
We're coaches and we can help you out. So message us, comment down below.
Bye!